I'll be the bad guy here and tell you what your friends and family might not, but you do need to be cleaning the inside of your coffee maker. It makes the coffee taste so much better. I have these tablets. They make it super simple. Let me show you how to use them. For a single serve machine like this, you just fill the water all the way, drop 1 tablet into the tank. I'm gonna brew 2 cups at the largest setting. All right, that's 1. And that's 2. Now I'm gonna dump the tank, add fresh water, run it 2 more times to rinse it, and then we're good to go. Similar process, I fill this tank with water, drop in my tablet, and brew 1 full pot of coffee. Same thing, we're gonna dump it, add fresh water, run it 1 more time. These are the tablets that I use. It comes with 24 of them, so check it out.